As a chiropractor, our most valuable tools that we have to our disposal is our hands. We deliver specific scientific chiropractic adjustments, but there's a big difference between treating the effects and adjusting the cause when people are coming into your practice. A lot of times we are mistaken that the chiropractic adjustment is fixing the problem. As chiropractors, we don't fix anything. All we do is we adjust. We adjust the spine and we allow the body to take over and do what it was created to do. Because the one thing you have to remember is that all healing comes from above, down, inside, and out. Happens no other way. So the adjustment is the tool that we use to remove any interference so the body can do just that, heal. This is Dr. Xaivier Tipler with EVOKE Chiropractic Coaching.